Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of what we're eating for dinner. Today is Monday and we're starting out with some fried chicken from Dark Meat from Winkle Foods, coleslaw, and then I'm going to make some instant mashed potatoes too. Alright guys, here is dinner on Monday. Super easy, super fast, super delicious. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, today is Tuesday and it's a gloomy rainy day. So I made a huge pot of zuppa Toscana. And it is delicious. People have already eaten it, and that's what we're having for dinner. Hi everyone, today is Wednesday, and for dinner we are having a freezer meal, which was a chili. I just threw it in the crock pot, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. So it is still Wednesday, and I decided to take out our weekly pack of bacon. I'm just doing it in the air fryer, and then this will go in the fridge for the next week to week and a half, however long it lasts. And then Lucas found some frozen corn on the cob in the freezer, so we took it out and we're just boiling it, and their kids are gonna have that next to the chili tonight. So there's another thing, two things out of the freezer. Hi everyone, today is Thursday and we did spaghettis for lunch and dinner. I had the meat sauce and everything ready in the freezer, so we just boiled some spaghetti and made spaghetti. Thawing out, I have this huge roast. Tonight I'm going to have some kids come over. We're gonna have 5 teenagers and then my 2 little ones. They're all sleeping over, and so after church they're coming over, so I'm gonna thaw this out, put it in the crock pot, and make like a Mississippi roast with it. And they'll also have, I don't think there'll be a lot of leftover spaghettis after dinner, so this is going to be after church, and they're going to enjoy. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning, and I have actually 8 kids at my house today, including my 4 kids, obviously. So what I'm going to do is, they're sleeping right now, but I'm going to make sheet pan pancakes. I think I'm going to do maybe 2 or 3 of these sheet pans. I have bacon going in the air fryer, and I'm not sure, we're going to do some kind of eggs, maybe boiled eggs or scrambled eggs, because me and my husband are actually leaving. We're going to be out and about all day, so I just kind of want to leave breakfast like a buffet style on the table, and they can eat as they wake up. I was thinking of doing like a breakfast casserole with eggs, but I haven't made one in a long time and I'm not sure. But anyway, this is what's going on. You guys, it's Friday and me and my husband went out to Costco to buy some gardening things, and we each got a chicken bake and a drink. So that's going to be our lunch, and we will see you when we make fajitas for dinner. Hi everyone, it is Saturday morning, and all the kids that were over are back at their homes. At one point there was like 12 of us at home, which was super fun. We had a great time. I don't think I showed you guys the end product of the fajitas, but just imagine we had fajitas, rice, corn, beans, cheese, all the good stuff. We do have leftovers, which we'll have for lunch, but I took out some ground turkey because I want to make a Romanian style meatball soup, and I want to make a bigger pot, so I got 2 out and some bone broth to go with it. And then I also took out some whipped topping that's in my freezer. I keep it in my freezer. I want to make like a no-bake chocolate eclair cake, which is super easy, just a few ingredients. So I'll let this thaw out and we'll put that together. Anyway, we're just gonna let this thaw out, and later on I'm gonna make it. It's been pouring down rain, really nasty, and now the sun is out. It's absolutely beautiful. So I want to go enjoy the day outside, and then later on just come home, make this beautiful soup that takes no time at all, and just to enjoy a big bowl of soup for dinner. All right guys, so I'm gonna make my no-bake eclair cake, and it's really simple. Basically, I'm going to whip this up. This is just instant vanilla pudding, and I'm going to whip it up with milk. I'm not following the instructions on the back. I like to make it a little bit more runny because I'm going to add the Cool Whip, and these are going to be my cake part, which is the honey graham crackers, and then on top, I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'm going to open it, put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and that's going to be drizzled all over, and you just layer it. Super easy. I just saw a recipe on YouTube, and there's many ways you can make. You can make like homemade ganache. You can make other things. This is just an easy way. And I really wanted to use up these graham crackers that have been in my pantry for a long time. So those will be used up, and our vanilla and stuff, and then just using a few things out of the freezer that need to be used up. I still have a couple tubs of these, so I want to go through them. So this is the consistency. I like it. I used whatever I had in there, and then a little bit more milk and the whole Cool Whip. And yeah, it's a little bit like on the soft side, but it's not like runny, but it's not like hard where you can't spread it. So you want it to be spreadable, super easy. Okay, so here's the final product. All you need to do is put it in the fridge 6 to 8 hours. Overnight is best, just for the graham crackers to soften up. Now, because these are older graham crackers that I used, that shouldn't take too long. I did use a whole box and then 1 packet out of these ones. So we have 2 more packets in there. And this is going to go just as it is in the fridge. And are you guys excited to eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the kids love this cake. It takes no time at all. Pantry ingredients, a little bit of milk for, you know, for your fridge ingredients, and the whipped cream, and you're good to go. All right, you guys, so here's my meatball soup. It is Saturday night. I just finished it, and it smells incredible. And then over here, I have a chicken that is thawing out. This is going in our crock pot tomorrow morning before church, and I'll probably do some potatoes or something next to it, and it's going to be ready to go when we come. All right, you guys, we're back from church. It is Sunday. I have a couple chicken fried rice north sides going in here, and then the chicken is out of the crock pot, under the broiler, which needs to be turned off. And then we're doing this sweet kale salad over here on the side. So just a few minutes from under the broiler, and this is what the chicken looks like. The rice is almost done and salad is ready. All right, you guys, here is the final product. This is going to be our lunch and our dinner for Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this week of What's for Dinner. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. With it, drop.